Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a silk press on my hair. So I hope you guys stick around to see what I do. So for starters, I'm going to start with sectioning my hair into 4 sections. I believe to get the best results when you're doing a silk press at home is to work in small sections. So this is my hair freshly blow dried. I have 2 products in. I'll list the products down below in the description bar, so make sure you check the description bar for all details. And I'm also going to include like a picture or a video on the screen so you guys can see the products that I use to achieve my silk press. So for this first section, I'm going to start with detangling my hair, of course, making sure there's no tangles or knots before I go into flat iron. Once I get it detangled to my liking, I'm going to section this off into an even smaller section. Like I mentioned earlier, the key to a good silk press and a good flat iron is to make sure you're working in small sections. I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron. I don't know like the inches or the size of it, so I'll link it down below and I'll put something on the screen so you guys can see. I'm using it on the highest heat, which is 450 degrees. My hair can take it. It's really thick, and I don't flat iron my hair often. I probably do it twice a year, so I'm good with that. So what I do is I basically just hit my roots a few times, and then I'll go in off and on throughout my head with the chase method. I do the chase method just depending on the size of the section that I'm working in. But I don't do it throughout my whole head. You'll see me throughout this video, doing it off and on. But that's basically all I do. I also try to achieve like 1 pass. I don't go past 2, definitely. My minimum is 2 passes. So if I can't get it straight in 2 passes, it's just gonna be that. But yeah, that's basically all I do. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video. I try to explain it to the best of my ability. I hope I did a good job. If not, just watch the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell next to that button. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. Everything is down below, so check the description. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. And let me know down below what you think of my final results. Okay, bye guys.